So now that we've got it installed, there may be some adjustments that are necessary. So to get at the adjustments, especially on the Duo, we're going to open it up. We're going to quickly release the door from the track, and we have everything accessible. So we have our in and out, and we have our left and or up and down, and our left and right, all accessible and all clearly marked. So if you have any adjustments on the Uno, it goes the same way. We have the up and down, we have the left and right, and the in and out. So with it quickly installed, we also have to show you on the inside pocket, we have the countertop version that we are been anticipating and waiting for. And it works the exact same way on the installation process as we did with the larger. And as you can see here is the Uno. We have the Duo. And with both applications, we have you covered from shortest to the tallest. So if you have any questions, please mark it down in the comments below and we'll be happy to answer them. Thank you for watching, and follow us at Blum Canada.